Welcome this video design for smart bathroom can be a challenge, but with the right idea for create can be transforming even the more complex size space into style functionally and comfortable room. The key is to maximize an inch wide, create a seam of opening, and when enters proud use. Here are some smart bathroom idea to help you make the most of your limited space. Use light color. One of the interior away to make a smart bathroom feel big is by use light color. Light color shapes such as while soft bring paste below parrot green can make the space feel open and air. Depth color while space can make a smart bathroom feel chap comfort youth light color tile and fixability to bright the room. You can add a touch of companion or personal touch like door range and artwork or bring shade.